Hello. Hello. Alright. Feeling a bit different now. If you check the stream, sorry, if you check the app now, actually first things first, let me clear everything. What's going on? Voila. Finally got the variables to show up. Yeah, finally got the variables to show up. It took a while. Now, the next step here is I'm trying to figure this one out. I got 3 pages, a list view, side pane. I think one of the next things to do is either make it panes, or I'll play around with the variables more and make sure things work. For example, making it so when you click the pencil, this becomes editable, and maybe changing the pencil into a check mark or something to stop editing. Yeah. Let's see if I can decide what to do here. Yeah. Oh wait, there's something else supposed to do. So I need to make let's change the panes. So I need to change each view to a pane. And then the other thing is customize the, what was it again? It was customize the, what was it? The output editor? What did I name it? Template editor, that's it. Template editor. Yeah, it should show. Yeah, it should reflect selected template. Yeah, right now it's just showing random text, just saying, hey, output text, or this is the input, this is an output. But it could be so much more. Okay, so now let me just clear my logs first. Leave up a bit. Go. Yeah, these all print statements are from when I've made the variables view model work properly in my own time. this stuff's not easy anymore. It was so crazy debugging this. Yeah, and everything still works. Yep, still works. Cool. Another thing is going back to the main view model. No, not main, it's the template view model. One thing it says is to select the template exchange. No, I don't need to do that anymore. Now things happen automatically. It's pretty good. Main view model, yeah, all automatic. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, so so these views need to be panes now. So all that work in the last stream sort of useless. I don't think there's a pane layout, is there? I'm just gonna have to use a bin layout instead. That's not it. I need to go to bin layout, gap manager. Now where's here? Yeah, box center. Oh, I get that. That's for that's basically center box. Custom measure. Yeah, cool. Oh, this is like a relative panel in UWP. Is that more? Yeah, those are pretty cool. Cool. No, expand please. Okay. Taking everything into consideration. Yeah. Just make a pane unless GTK. Someone's done it. I don't want all this work to just be for nothing. That would be crazy. Nope, it is. Luckily, it's not too hard. Stop that for a second. Yeah, I don't need that either. Now we're going to our box layout. So I'm going to start with the templates view. So of the box layout, just use a bin. Yeah. And to use the bin is literally just set one element. That's the main thing. This is irrelevant, completely irrelevant. This two. And then create the pane. And just call it, say, root pane.
Good morning, sunshine.
Was new. GTK.panes. Orientation. What is the pane? Oh, this is a bit weird. I'm not sure how it's gonna split. How are you gonna?
I love you.
Horizontal pane. So the orientation is about the way it's split, but orientation is the orientation of the line that splits it. So I want a vertical pane. So I'll just add it to panes. The widget. Vision could be between two children is set by default by side to request children being adjusted. Although just realized something. Kilo pane has a main CSS node. Oh my gosh. Oh wait. Oh no. This is 2 panes. Wait, is there that? Can you have 3 panes? I guess you can have 3 panes. And then the last pin will be by itself. Oh, that's gonna be weird. Okay, yeah, that's what I figured. So weird. I'll go back to the main window. And in the main window, I'm going to replace this with some panes just to test it out. For also the layout box, I'm going to try this instead. Great. Create one panes. Scale panes. Right. Orientation. Get vertical. And let's put start panes. And I have the end panes. Then the same, I can put panes inside panes. So I can do something like start panes dot set, what is it, set end child is end panes. So what I hope happens is that the pane, what I hope happens is that well, we'll just find out. Nothing. Mysterious. Nah, it's not really nothing though. See the tree. So we got one panes. Start page child's end panes. We got panes. Inside the panes. Oh, there's no content between panes. Makes sense. I could just try to add some text. So okay, it's to start pained. Alright, now it makes more sense. It's more clear now. Start next pane on the other side. Add 2 buttons. Alright, let me see if I add, what happens if I add something else. Label. Error. Oh. Ah, of course. It was meant to be horizontal. Man. I don't really blame him. How do you okay. There we go. Ta-da! 3 panes. I'll put a pane inside a pane. Yep. This is the basis of our view. This makes perfect sense because we don't want this moving too much, but you want these two to move around a lot, modifying variables and editing templates. But in here it's just going to be selecting templates, so you shouldn't move around too much. Now we got that out of the way. Start page end panes. So instead of these random labels, this ends up becoming what we did here. I thought I could be smart here. This could be our view. Templates views here. Then variables view will be on the second pane window. Is it pane? Second pane, yeah. And on the final vid is on the final pane is the template editor. Is the sound okay, by the way? I mean, yeah. Yep. It works. It works pretty well. The problem is now it's just the positions, how things are positioned doesn't make quite a lot of sense. If I need to set pane widths, because yeah, this I'm very happy with this. This worked out much better than I thought it would. If I have to do a whole rewrite of all sorts of things, but no, it's a pretty decent API. Yeah, I'm really happy about this. Let's get rid of the box. Boom. Now, start paying the width requests. What is this? Get width, get allocated width requests. What? Accept position. Set size request. Alright, I'll calm down here. Whoa. This is very helpful. Yeah. What was this? Hey, my edit got him through. Awesome. Yeah, almost able to finally add a comment. 6 more points to go. Okay. Child. Yeah, okay, so once we go back to the docs and figure out how I'm supposed to set the pane widths, the full pane widths. Okay. I see. One thing I can do is min position and max position. I might need to see the C docs first. Yeah, the strange thing is that for the GTK4 docs, they use a new format, but unfortunately the VAR documentations doesn't support that new documentation format. So formatting can be very strange sometimes. But at least we got these other things work. Okay. Docs.gtk4. Alright, that's just better. Panes. Here we go. Yeah, start child, end child. We figured that one out. A frame. What do they mean by that? Okay. Sizing. Change the slider before set by the user by calling GTK got set position. Sets the position of the value between two panes. The pixel position. Pixels. Really? So create pane with minimum sizes. Okay. is going on here? So if I do H-paint, alright. Start paint. Size request, set size request. And I want a width of 200 and the height doesn't matter. The thing I don't get is on high DPI displays, how is that affected? And then end paint, set size request, width is also 200, and that's -1 again. Oh, wow, how was that magic? Again, I do not know. I see, so you can get things can shrink and grow. I'll be honest, I don't want this to shrink or grow. It is what it is though. Let each do what they want to do. But what I'm trying to figure out is why this works. How it works. It's me saying 100s. What does that mean exactly? What if I just put 1? Oh, it's literally just 1 to the... I guess it's close to 1 pixel as it can do. And then if I try 10, that's not 10 pixels. It's like just doing 2/3, honestly. Like, I feel like I can even do something like this. 2-1, and it would still work. Oh, no. So what's going on here? Yeah, it's like the start pain doesn't really matter. It's all about what happens with end pains. Really seems like that's the case. Oh, it sets the minimum width. Oh. Okay. All right. I can still resize each thing manually. No. Set size, resize. Min max. Yeah, there is a lot going on here. Okay. Alright. Okay. This is what I see here. I just set this set size request, and I get a minimum, sets the minimum size, and then the widget works out what to do. I don't have a problem with that. Yeah, so this shouldn't go beyond a certain size. It goes beyond a certain size. Okay, how the heck does this work then? So I can go literally beyond. What a strange API. This makes no sense. It's crazy. I can set the position of the separator. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Aha, there we go. Now the thing is, the math of this is very strange. I can close it, open this again. Huh. You know. Close, open. Okay. Yeah. I think 300 is a safe bet. Yes, yeah. This is it. Was 300 is about 600. I think I like around. Yeah, you want me able to see. I figured this. I mean, what I can do to make sure this doesn't happen is to, I mean, like I planned before, make this non-resizable, make this 300. Why does it need to be 300 anyway? Alright, I'm gonna definitely just set minimum width. And look what I brought with me. Ruler. Had to be super perfect. Let's make it so. Alright. 680. Actually, no. How about 640 by 480? It's a nice resolution. Yeah, I'll make this at 640 by 480 minimum size. You played games. We had an old school computer, you know about that one. 40. Yeah, much smaller. 480 about here. Yeah, it's always we worry about. Because it looks good here. Alright, let's make a few tweaks. And so that's the minimum size of the app. Maybe 150. Okay, that should be. That shouldn't be too big. 200. 250. This could be 150. Let me push 180. Yeah, it's about right. It feels right. And as I expand it, things seem to expand nicely. And I guess what I can do is store the pain positions over time. I'm not sure exactly the frequency that I need to do that in. I'll definitely add it to a to-do list or something. Remembered. Yeah, I'm using. If I just write analog, maybe I need to add a document can or something. Okay, so the next thing I said was template editor should reflect. No, usually before that is set minimum window width to 640 by 480. else? Minimum window size. Oh, I'll get started now. I'm trying to see what changed. What's up in there? Template setup. Yes, undo it. Revert. Don't save. And get rid of that print. So these all this is gonna be remove unused redundant print statements methods. That's great. And then this one is move the add views into panes. Should I have one up? Cool. Alright, now send the window size. Is either something to do with application or main window. Alright, first, let me just check the docs. It sets the default window size. Oh no. Default height and width is controlled. I want to set the minimum. Oh, that might be a problem. Set the default. Oh, and see now, but thanks to that, no matter what happens, even at the minimum window size, the app will always look decent. It wouldn't open up with messed up panes. Yeah, no matter what. Yeah, very, very, very good. Scaling, do whatever. And just look pretty good. Alright, just gonna go for a quick toilet break. Just be back in a minute or two. Alright. Sorry about that. I'm back. Okay. Oh. Next thing is, how was it actually? I got the minimum window size. Don't know why it's saying from null to null. Everything else is working fine. Okay, about the window size. Next thing is payment positions or template editor effects. Select a template. Sort the payment position later. That's a whole tricky thing with GTK settings. The template editor needs to be dealt with. See over here. Yes. Look at that. Yeah, right now it's using content. That's just set manually. What you do now is that based on the selected template, the input changes. That's sorted shortly. Yeah, not sure what's going on there. Really not sure what's going on there. Don't know why it says null to null. VDI cannot be found. Strange. How's it working then? Oh, they have a point. Where's VDI? Ah, global dependencies. There it is. Yeah, I think that problem will probably solve itself. Yeah, it'll probably solve itself. If it works. It's a bit annoying. Okay. So let's get started. I want to first get into put views into view models. There's a main view model. We can see that. Okay. And then we can see that the template view model connects. So it loads. So on the selection models change. Okay, select a template. Load the variables from the template. And what we also want to do is load the content from the selected template. So templates. Oh, I don't have a model for the template editor. Interesting. Template view model and saying no. Why? It's not further. GTK4, how did I do it last time? Oh, it's user objects, okay. No, all these errors are getting very strange. I think I might have to close the project and open it again. Right, now it seems better. All the containers are now. No, it doesn't. Oh boy. Well, it's not complaining. Yeah, great. Yeah, it's normal. Okay. So it's V model. I'm just gonna do a few things. It will need to know the following things: the container. Sorry, not the container. It needs to know the current content of the template, as well as the variables of the template too. I mean, I could pass in the content itself directly as a string, but another thing would make a bit more sense is to pass in the template object itself. I'm debating whether I should expose that much of the template or not. At the same time, the variables, are they really? Yeah, this little part doesn't matter. It's main view model. Load variables. Still have to load variables as well. I think what needs to happen is that some sort of service needs to be created that takes the content, and the variables and, you know, processes it to get the output. I think that'll be a good idea. I don't think that logic should be in the template of the model. But to start, it's a bit tough, isn't it? Yeah, the service will just come magically through a container, and where it will be hosted or created will be in the main view model, which makes sense because it can access the selected item. Oh, so this gets added twice. I want to do this 2 times, do I? Oh, I do. Oh dear. Now, if the item selected, okay, I'm overthinking it. Just store the template. And the template has variable objects. It's no brainer. Let's call it model. Yeah. Construct. Yeah, not construct, just set. Construct doesn't do nothing about that. And then based on what happens to the model, change the content too. So I don't think this needs a construct. So when I check variables v model, what do I do for that? I use the construct to create the list store section model, but I'm not doing any list related stuff this time. So I'm not worried about that. What I'm more worried about is loading the model. So loading template. So public void. Should check the more double check. Templates. And model equals template. Great. Now something to bind to with the template view. Actually no, before I even do that, that's the main view model and say hey, creates template editor view model. Why for the L. It cannot be found. Alright, we got that down. Do instance of it. Check. And then load template. Yes. And then use the view itself, template editor. You know what, I'm just gonna be consistent and name it template editor view. One of my mentors will hate me for doing that, but just find that easy to be consistent. sake of consistency. It should build. Yeah, nothing changed there. That's good. Very good. Here's where some changes happen. We get into template editor view, right? I like to say editor view. Yeah, this is alright with stack switching, but it's the text entry stack. I mean, there's a few things I could do. I could create a property that stores the text. Yes, that's what I should do. And then that property sets the text for the text entry stack. No, the text entry. No, text view. That's right. Then at the same time, on the text view buffer, we some sort of two-way binding. I mean, yeah, it'll be two separate views, so it's one. Yeah, create text editor. Yeah, that's already what's happening anyway. Says and the album text editor. Should that just be one big label? Create output. Now text a new shard tagged. So create text area. Just gonna use the input text editor and output text editor. Still works. Cool. Now maybe it still works. do something else with our code. It's the strings. Let's say input text editor dot bind dot buffer text. Oh, why won't give me a buffer? First of all, not text editor. This is our text views. What? I didn't save? Strange. Input text view. I can't get the buffer out. Why is that? In terms of text view. Oh, because it's wrapped by a scroll wrapper. I see. So I don't really get the text view. Get the text area that wraps it. So input text view equals GTK text view, and then text view scroll window dot child, and I can do the magic. Dot buffer dot set bind property. Oh, now we're cooking. Text. Ah, yes. Now we're talking. Still not got any props here. That's not easy to get that. String input content. And that'll be a get set. Oh, what am I doing? What? Am I suffering for no reason like that? I got the V model, right? Ah, of course not. Let's go back to variables V model. No, not the V model, the variables view. Yeah, I forgot the V model. How could I? It's a very important piece. Yeah, funky code. So this dot V model dot equals new application variables dot application dot container dot get type of variables dot variable V model. Very funky code. Works out though. Then we go back to the main window. We notice, not here, main view model. Create a template at the view model. I need to bind the instance now. I'm gonna do it by hand because I'm scared that, copying something and forgetting to change a few things. That can cause some annoying bugs. Template the view model. And yeah, this dot template the view model. That's dealt with. Got template the view. And we can fix that later. No, doing that now. I got the view model. Now the source property is text. It's buffer.text. The target is the so this dot view model dot model. What? Oh, it's the wrong one. That's more like it. Model. The target property is content. The bindings, bidirectional, two-way, and no transform needs to happen. That's all right. With the output, special stuff's gonna happen with that one. Very special. Input broken. It's like, is the child even a widget? Shouldn't be a text view. That should be the scroll window. Whoa. Ta-da! That, no. Something's not right here. Something's not right here. I did get the correct text. But if I go back to the templates view model, what I say was the content. Oh, it's irrelevant. I can't even set content. Because content doesn't exist. I created templates out of nothing. Variable template for variable. I think it has no content. Yeah, the content needs to be set to say this is demo content. Yes. I'll get into good stuff. I just wanna That's wanna No. Two-way. Look at the templates edit view model again. No, not the view. Template editor view model. Load templates, model equals template. And that's about it. Just go. Here's the thing, when model changes, is it still tied to the old model? So things get a bit messed up. It doesn't work like the other stuff. So in that case, that's the main view model. See what's going down. Load template. I'm going to see what happens when the template's loaded. How it affects everything. Yes, I get too used to JavaScript. This is demo content. Alright, so it's real. It's not fake. Oh, I just realized something. So the V models are set up before the views. They already exist. What is happening now when you click? You go back to, is it my main photo? Templates, view. No, template editor view. That's it. It gets the V model. Then it sets the default text. Then it binds. Bam, it's demo content. That's right. Then when there's a change, then it changes. So how do I figure that one out? But yeah, also have to keep in mind this could be null. So if view model if this dot view model dot model equals it's not equals null and this dot, you can be able to do this dot model Getting a bit too excited here. It works. Oh, I made it nullable. It's already nullable, so that doesn't make any sense. Because I can null the no coalescing. So if it's null, something else. But what I need to do is actually check if this is null first, and then check if the view model dot content is null too. Then I can set the text. Bam. It's pretty good. And yeah, I'll just add what I've done so far now. Hey, how you doing, Leo? You good? Hello, world. Oh yeah, look, check it out. Got the variables. Cheers, man. I told you I'll make it work. Oh yeah, and also you can resize the panes too. Like a good desktop app does. Yeah, it's on GitHub. I should really add a link to it on Twitch, shouldn't I? Hang on, let me do that right now. Do it right now. This is very meta. It's still not bold. Baby steps. I'm live. Oh, you can't say a description, can you? Oh, yes, I need the bot. Oh, I get it. I get it. That makes sense. Yeah. Well, I'm not going to be loading, so. Don't know about Charge. Yeah. The view. What else is there to do? Okay, let's add this in. You can put a GitHub link or put it into Twitch profile, but nothing like YouTube. Yeah. Wait, did I not have YouTube link in there? Sure I do. Like on my profile, right? It's actually pretty hard to figure out things. Channel. Oh, I don't have a GitHub. What? No, I'm slacking. Yeah, I know there's people, they sometimes on their channel, they get these fancy links. I'm not sure you do that though. It's like some giant text images. I don't know, that's from custom UI, and it would say something like, here's my setup. Here's this link. I don't see that option anywhere though. Probably your partner thing. I don't know. But probably a partner program thing. What that sounds? There we go. Yeah, that was weird. I had music on. Template editor. Dark theme. View model. Is there a way to describe this? What's going on here? I've made the template editor view model. Oh no, it's template editor loads content from selected template. Yes. All right. Oh, I'm tired. Template. I don't need this anymore. I know this works. The next thing to try is to see if multiple templates work. Other variables. There is a way to, way to sell the children, but it's just very. No, that's not it. Why don't do that? Then do other variables. Title. Hello world. And then I'll give it templates up hand. template secondo. Variables equals other variables. Content is other. Work now. Second template. Yeah. It's a shame because very close here. Very close. Because I changed the model. This is a problem I have. So the template editor view model was written wrong. Temp ed view model. The thing that should change is the string itself, because how it's currently being binded is binding to the content of that model, but it should just bind to content stored here. Then based on changes, I can modify the model. So make a property, public property, public string content, and so fancy this one. Give it a get and set get, and you get model. Oh, I need to create private content as well. Return this content. Oh. Hello? Okay. Yep. Alright, no worries. Bye. Oh, 10 views on Substack. Sweet. The player looks fantastic, man. Okay. Return set this content. Now this is where funny stuff happen. So set if value is not the same as this content, then this content equals value. Yeah, that's two-way binding. And the other thing is, yeah, that should prevent crazy behavior. Return to content, if that. But another thing is that you don't just set the content, you also set the model. So model.content equals, is that a good idea? Like every single keystroke. I don't know, I'd prefer if I mean, can't be helped. Can't be helped. Model.content equals value as well. Here's what it is. I'll just put this .content. Keep things sane. And or you're doing fine. All the template editor view is going to do is just this model dot turn this content. So yeah, I will use construct. How does that work? Construct here. Does that work? Set accessory defined. Oh, that's super cool. Yeah, on construct content is just empty string. Yeah, that way it doesn't just break everything on load. I got a better idea. Oh, no coalescing. And just use the existing value that's been given to you. See what happens. Oh, something broke. Templates. Oh, I forgot one more thing. Here, still looking at get modeled out. Don't need to do that anymore. What's happened here? Template set content. No. It doesn't exist yet. Oh, very, very careful. I mean, I could check for nulls inside the construct set. I just feel very extreme. Oh, I see what's happening here. On loads, model equals template, and content. This dot content equals this dot model template. This dot content equals this dot model dot content. And it's like, okay, model content equals this content. I mean, here I could use some notify, some sort of notify method. But yeah. Oof, almost. Oh yeah, there's even load of content here. No selection changes, nothing happens yet. What's going on here, man? Selection change handler, connect. So template is template. And the template goes in here. The view models load again. Print, selection change. New template is template dot name. And little slash here. Nothing happens. What? That's very strange. Tell me the templates view model doesn't actually work. Oh, okay, because it's this. Yeah, it is. Yeah, so I thought. So strange. Now we're talking. Something paramsec. I forgot exactly what the reason for that is. What was a better way to do that? No, it's, even C# is like this. Notify property changed. The API is a bit better there. So the last thing oh, if that's the case, I'm wasting my time a bit here. Use the main window, the main view model. this part should be relevant now. And back to the template, edit view, templates view model, template, template. change. If I set to the item, but connect. This selection never changed the first time. You're looking for a change. So you can have I could force it to look at it from here. Done with dummy variables. Or I could do it in the view model, main view model. But yeah, I prefer doing it in the templates view model. This way I don't have all the success code. No, let's get out. Irrelevant here. This stuff. Then you just call the location change method again. All this. Bring up the signal. That should fix that. No problem. Okay, that's the easiest to fix. Stop doing random stuff. Fix here, we go to not template view model, variable view model, it's template view model. I might start removing these things, they're too similar. And it's a single selection here. Auto select. Okay, so the selection has happened. Pretty strange. Oh, this isn't strange. That makes sense actually, because this is loaded before the view. The best I can do is force it by checking for the current items in the list store. You just give up here. Now then just go to list.templates. And from there I know there's more than one template. So I can, and then call this again. Instead of getting selected items, I just get the first item inside the list store. Or the selection model select item 0, set the first item, and the ball is the unselect rest. All that is. Whatever presets it has to be unselected. True. What? Why? What happened this time? Oh, I'm too early, aren't I? Because I'm too early. No, I did it wrong. That can't be the child of that. Makes no sense. Yeah, so I thought it's just not on the view yet, so it doesn't make sense. Well, next best thing is trying that again. Just get the first item. It doesn't want to get the first item. Why is that? I already added it to the list store. So you're telling me in main view model that the template is either null or the template is already selected. You know what? This does make sense partially. So I do get benefit of doubt that the other view models aren't ready yet. Nobody created them ready. Alright, I don't know. Oh wait, but they're done because I put in the construct. That's making the others aren't ready yet. Alright, I hear that. And even this isn't ready yet. So in that case, yes, I'm gonna have to do that other thing where, alright, I'll just say update private void update template. Variables.template. Ba-bum. And let's do all this at once. It's to the no. Do I use this? I don't. Why is that there? It's so weird. Probably some older thing. Of the container, and this goes in here. Order detail item. It's not equal to null. Call this the update template with the same thing. Yeah, I'm getting tired. What's the problem now? Oh, it's not a template. Variables. Template. Yes. There. What now? Oh, just use the JavaScript. Ta-da! That's the way. That is the way. So onload does all that stuff. And selecting different templates changes the variables and the content. Sensational. Absolutely sensational. This is fantastic. MBPM, man. Super good. And what needs to be fixed? Oh, it doesn't need to be containers. You don't have the problem here. Just can't find a container. But try one of these. I think the Vardy should stick to being. Hang on. So I ought to GitHub variables. Vardy here. I get from main branch. Yeah, that makes sense. Body comes here now. Bam. A little faster. What's up, pussycat? Let's go, pussycat. Right. Yes. Now this next thing is to do is just sort out the output. So I got the input ready, and then process the template itself. We got variables, and after that, I can look into adding the variables themselves. Yeah. So all of this is just saying. Move body dependency to apps source. Whoa, what was that? Bar events and app source. Oh no. Undo last commit. Just these two. And then these. Plus then. So the variables view and template editor update when template editor view when the selected template changes. Bam. Whew. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.